I-lift yakwibhilidi ingathwala isisindo esigcina ku-1.5 tons. Uma siqegela sithi umuntu omdala unesisindo sa-160 pounds, bangaki abantu abanganela ngesisindo kule lift? Kumele sithole isisindo u-1.5 tons ukuthi ubani ngama-pounds. Ebese sibona ukuthi abantu abangaki abadala abanganela kule lift ngesisindo. Singathi u-1.5 tons sushintshe kube improper fraction, loyo sithola u-3/2 tons ngoba sothi 1 times 2 equals 2 plus 1 3 bese sithi 3/2. Ebese ke kumele sazi ukuthi ukuze sikwazi ukwenza lo mbuzo wethu kumele sazi ukuthi u-2000 pounds yithani elilodwa lelo. So u-1 ton equals 2000 pounds. Sizobeke sesimultiplya u-3/2 tons lo. Sizomultiplya ngo mele kube no tons ku-denominator yethu khona bezokwazi ukukhanselana, emase kuba no pounds ku-numerator yethu khona sizosala no pounds ngoba sizama ukuthola ukuthi mangaka ama-pound ku-3/2 tons. Sizomultiply u-3/2 tons ngo-2000 pounds kwi-ton elilodwa. So sizothi 3/2 tons times 2000 pounds kwi-ton. O-ton bethu sithe bayakhanselana khona kuzosala u-pounds wethu. Ebese sithi ke 3/2 times 2000. U-3/2 times 2000 uyafana noma u-3/2 times 2000 uyafana nokuthi 3/2 times 2000 pounds kuba phela 2000 pounds yithani elilodwa ungakukhohlwa lokho. U-3/2 times 2000 pounds into efanayo nokuthi 3 times 2000 over 2. Three times 2000 over 2 pounds. Ebese sithi ke so divide 2000 by 2 sithole 1000, divide 2 by 2 sithole 1, mase sala no 3 times 1000. 3 times 1000 siyazi ukuthi 3000 pounds loyo. Kusho ukuthi ithana lodwa u-3000 pounds. U-1.5 tons u-3000 pounds. Ebese ke khona sizokwazi ukuthi bangaka abantu abangafitha kule lift ya 3000 pounds ngesisindo. Sizothi 3000 pounds sathe lo 3000 pounds siwudivide ngo-160 pounds ngoba u-160 pounds isisindo esiqegeliwe somuntu. Ebese u-3000 pounds u-1.5 tons lo le lift ekwazi ukuphatha. Kwi-denominator yethu soba no pounds, ebese kwi-numerator yethu soba no person noma u-people. Lowo person no-people phela umele labantu laba esizama ukubabala ukuthi bangaka bazongena kule lift yethu ewu-3000 pounds. So sithe sizothi u-3000 pounds divided by 160 noma sithi 3000 pounds times 1 over 160 khona bezokhanselana no-pounds sale nobani no-people. Lo people phela ozositholisa umphumela wethu wabantu abazongena kule lift. Asithi ke sizothi 3000 divided by 160. 3000 divided by 160 people njalo abantu. So divide numerator nayo i-denominator ngo-10 khona so simplify isibalo sethu. u-3000 divided by 10 300, 160 divided by 10 16, bese sala no300 divided by 16, bese sithi divided by 2 sithole u150 ngaphezulu sithole u8 ngaphansi. Singaphinda futhi sithi divided by 2 emasiqale sibhale sibalo sethi ukuthi sithe sisele no 150 divided by 8 wabantu. Lo 150 divided by 8 sophinde su divide futhi ngo2 sithole u75 ngaphezulu sithole u4 ngenzansi. Kuzomela sibaleke ukuthi u75 divided by 4 ba asenze 75 divided by 4 awuthi ngenza masisha u75 divided by 4 ukuthi usinika bani fake la sehlise lo 5 balo 8 point sesikwa decimal ke manje 7 siqhubeke sehlise lo 0 4 divided by 20 u5 loyo siqede ke ngo0 sithola u18.75 lokho kusho ukuthi u75 divided by 4 noma siqale sathi bani u3000 divided by 160 people njalo abantu usinika u18.75 wabantu. Lokho kusitshela ukuthi abantu abangangena kule lift kuphephe bahambe nje kule lift bephephile abantu abawu18.75 kodwa ngoba ngeke sikwazi ukuthi sinabantu abawu0.75 sizothi abantu abawu18 abazongena kule lift bephephile.